Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech World Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to convert text into speech on TikTok. To learn, please watch the video till the end.
So to do that, first we need to go to the TikTok app and click on the plus sign to record a video. After doing that, record your video. And after that, click on the text button and type in what you want to. After typing your text, click on your text and you will see a text-to-speech option. Click on that.
Hello, you have came this far, so do like and comment on the video.
So yeah, that was the process of converting text into speech. If you want to post it, then go ahead and click next and post it on your story. So if you find this video helpful, then do leave a like and comment down any suggestion or queries based on the video. Stay tuned as we will be providing you similar kind of content. But for now, thank you for watching.